Hello YouTubers, today I'm running my rocket stone wood. As you can see, I think it's oak. The draft is not so good, but this is because my chimney pipe isn't tall enough. Today is connected in this silver aluminium flue, and it goes out of my garage, but I can't see any smoke. This is good, but my opinion is that I should make a much taller chimney to prevent backdraft. And my burning chamber, I don't know if you can see, but okay, flames are down. This is good, but the draft isn't very strong. I don't know if we can hear. So this is my water jacket around my heat riser, and it's very hot now. But the point of my today's video is to prove myself. If I slow down the draft on the chimney, I can get much more heat in this barrel, and I can still put my hand on the chimney pipe, which is good, but I can't hold my hand for a long time here. Maybe if you can hear, the water is boiling in my boiler. The boiler is about 40 liters. In my previous video, this chimney pipe was connected in my real chimney here, which I use for my another wood stove. It's here to heat my house. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.